Hello, you're watching Revitalize from the inside out, and my name is Jillian. And today I want to talk to you about a very special smoothie that I've put together for this video. Now, I've always been fascinated by the overall effects that each of the ingredients that I use in my smoothies can actually have on our overall health. Today's life-enhancing smoothie beverage contains 8 different ingredients that have significant anti-aging effects on our health. It is no coincidence that these ingredients are also some of the most antioxidant and anti-inflammatory foods that we have in the world. So what are these anti-aging foods, and what do they do exactly to keep us feeling young and healthy? Just to summarize a few points before we get started, these ingredients help and have an impact on skin protection, supportive cognitive function, they aid bone health, they give vision protection, and they impact your gut health as well. The avocado has taken the spotlight as one of the fruits that can help slow some of the effects of aging. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fatty acids and key compounds that help keep your arteries young and healthy. Blueberries. Not only are blueberries an amazing, tasty fruit, they have been shown to delay aging and promote longevity. Now, these amazing superfoods help to limit cellular damage caused by free radicals, and they help to prevent an array of other ailments as well. A lot of research done on blueberries emphasizes the cognitive benefits. In particular, they can help to protect memory-associated regions in the brain, and they can also help along with the slowing of age-related damage to brain cells. Spinach. Now, spinach contains protective compounds that make it one of the best superfoods there is. The vitamin C and the vitamin A found in spinach can help to protect or reduce any damage caused by UV light, the kind of damage that can lead to skin cancer or can lead to premature aging. Frequently eating foods high in antioxidants such as spinach will help significantly boost skin cell growth. It will also support the production of collagen, which is necessary to keeping your skin looking young and to maintain its elasticity. Bananas. Because of bananas' high content of manganese, it can help to promote brain health, skin health, and bone health. Now, in addition to the manganese, with bananas you do get a good source of vitamin C. The vitamin C aids in collagen production, which helps to keep you looking young and healthy. These are 2 crucial ingredients that naturally help to slow down the aging process. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fats, protein, and antioxidants. Chia seed benefits include promoting healthy skin, building stronger bones. They help to reduce the signs of aging. They promote heart health and digestive health, and they help to build stronger muscles. Cacao nibs. Cacao nibs have been proven in research to help slow down the effects of aging. Cacao is the source of original natural chocolate. It comes from the seeds of the fruit of the cacao tree. Cacao nibs have more antioxidant activity than green tea, wine, berries, and even goji berries. This incredible ingredient makes an amazing addition to any smoothie. Maca powder. Maca is a type of cruciferous vegetable that is native to the Andes of Peru. The Incas understood that maca had extraordinary rejuvenative powers. Maca root is a natural antioxidant. It is high in calcium, iron, vitamin C, and essential amino acids. And that's what makes it such a great superfood all on its own. Turmeric root. Now, turmeric has some amazing anti-aging properties. For instance, the curcumin in the turmeric may help against the aging of the bones, the brain, and even other neurodegenerative factors. This amazing root has the ability to control inflammation even better than ibuprofen and aspirin. As I've mentioned in some of my other videos, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of this turmeric root have also been proven helpful when it comes to treating psoriasis and acne. Coconut milk. Coconut milk offers the ability to help the body build its immune defenses and to prevent disease. Coconut milk is naturally higher in saturated fat, but not to worry. This type of fat will help to lower your cholesterol levels and to promote heart health as well. This is great to add to some power smoothies, to pre-gym smoothies, because it helps with energy expenditure. Coconut milk is ultimately hydrating. It also helps improve gut health and fights against conditions like IBS. And here we have it. This is the anti-aging super detox smoothie. Now, because we're at the beginning of summer and these days are super hot, I recommend adding ice. You can put ice into the blender and blend it in, or just add in some ice cubes. Although this didn't turn out to be the most vibrant and amazing color in the world, just trust me, it's amazing. It's the taste that counts. Yeah, it's definitely the taste that counts. So I can taste pretty much the coconut milk. It's quite strong. You can use less if you don't particularly like the flavor of coconut. You could use more water if you'd like, or any other kind of nut milk or even rice milk. I can say I definitely don't taste the spinach or the turmeric in here. I can taste the banana. The sweetness of the banana helps to make such a great flavor. I taste a little bit of the maca root powder as well. It has a very pleasant taste, especially combined with the banana. And the avocado is giving it a really nice, smooth and creamy texture. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Revitalize from the inside out. I'm Jillian. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe below to my channel, hit the notification bell on the side so you don't miss any updates. And I will see you again soon. Bye!